Hello everyone, and this is Focus Chain. And to start this color chain, you start with begin a card display, a triangle, and at the same time you make a setup. Okay, and this is how to do it. You break a little package. Okay, bring right here, and you put the rest of the deck. Okay, and you just a little bit push backward. Okay, just backward like this, and you leave about one or maybe three on the bottom, and the rest you move forward and you cut like this, and you just put the rest of the deck here and put everything as a triangle. So the setup, there's a little package on the backward is our job. Okay, here. Okay, and to do the color chain, okay, you just break another package from this side. Okay, showing like this. Okay, you come and secretly you just bring this package and put it on top of this bottom package. Okay, here put it like this. Okay, and to do the color change, you just slide back and you just shake. At the same time you just push the bottom package like this. Okay, so okay, break a little package, bring like this. Okay, little backward, leave little package at the bottom, move forward and make a triangle. Okay, we have a outjog package. Okay, break another package. Okay, come and put it on top of this bottom package. Come, shake and do this. Okay, so without the triangle, all you do is just like this. Okay, all you do is just push this bottom package with your finger like this. Okay, here, okay, like this. And with the triangle, okay, with this triangle, okay, remember here, cut, come, shake and let go. Okay, after that you can show it like this, do a cherry cut and drop this package. Okay, so one more time. Okay, remember, do a setup while you make a triangle. Okay, so show the triangle first, break another package showing like this, come, put it on top and do the chain, show it again and do a cherry cut, and you can drop this package, or if you want it you can slide your charging card and yep, you can give it to the spectre or just throw it, and yep, that's it. That's the focus chain. I like it.